Good evening,
Start,
Lalit ji.
start.
Hi, good evening.
Our favorite admin guy who is always at the forefront of doing things for VU. नेल बनाना हो, क्या अपने रस्सी बनानी हो या अपना बैग
I'm an
लेना हो,
admin guy.
या किसी को डांटना हो
everything is
या
taken
टीम
care by
बनाना
Lalit
हो.
ji. So Lalit ji, you are the core of VU, as I say.
Thank you.
आप लास्ट 12-13 साल से 12-13 नहीं जब से 2008 से जब से हुआ है, I think almost that time से you are there.
Right, almost right from beginning.
And you have seen VU growing. So आज की डेट में अगर आप देखेंगे तो 22 साल से लेके 60 साल 62 साल के लोग खेल रहे हैं. So what is your view on VU as a group?
I feel this is one of the most dynamic group, a very versatile group. The age difference is amazing and the sporting spirit is quite high. Everybody is fond of playing. They'll come in the morning, and we enjoy the games. The best part is even without betting, we play very competitive. That's the spirit of the sport.
Yeah, when nothing is at stake, no prize money is there, still we try
Despite
to
we
do
play
the
very
best.
serious.
Yes, that is one good part here, and yes, it is a very good stress buster. So, so coming to the journey in the VU, what we have seen, whenever you are coming at around 7:30, you are running and coming, and you are very eager to make the teams. When there are 18 players or 24 players, the happiness we see on your face for making the team is fantastic. So, what goes in your mind while making a team?
My focus is to have balanced teams so that every game is competitive. I try to make, as far as possible, I try to be very impartial and I balance the teams. If I give a good attack in one team, then there is a good defense in the other team. That's how I balance the teams so that every game is competitive. That's always my aim.
But there is always one sense of क्या है blame or accusation on you, that you always go as a negative in a team which is very strong, which is having
Because
the strongest spiker.
I feel in this group of VU, I am one of the weakest player. So obviously I should be in the strongest team.
Okay. So that is a good perspective.
Thank you.
Now coming to the league. Now this is the 12th league, and we have seen league also developing in a different format and forms. So coming to this league, there are 4 captains. What is your initial views on the 4 captains? How they are going to perform? Anything which who will stand out?
I feel Sashank with his experience will be able to make one of the best teams. And I also count on Babu to be able to make a good team. Nikhil is new to this system. I don't know how he will be able to build a team. But Tejas I doubt.
So there is a very interesting aspect. Even I feel Nikhil, since he is very new to the auction dynamics, see, he may be a very good spiker, but auction dynamics are totally different.
Unless he is able to pick up a player in the initial stages who can help him building the team.
But surprising part is what you mentioned about Tejas. Since Tejas is already having an experience of one auction, Orion team he was there. So you still think he is likely not
I
to
feel
plan with-
Tejas, he has a preset mindset. He knows which players he wants and he will stick to them only. So there are chances in bidding he may fail. He is not flexible. Sashank I think is flexible. He can manage. Even Babu is flexible. Even he'll be able to manage. But Tejas I doubt.
So Babu is of course sort of street smart sort of thing.
Yeah.
So he will be able to manage.
Manage.
Let us see how the auction unfolds. So coming to the next question, now 4-5 players, if they can make the key differences like booster, who will be the key booster or who will be the key center? What is your view on that?
I feel spikers may of course Nikhil and this one Sashank are the best. And if they get good boosters, like if Nikhil is able to take Gaurav or Darsh in his team, he will really make an excellent team, excellent combination. And Bipin as a center is a very big asset, very strong center player. And again, the second spiker will also make a lot of difference. If whoever is able to pick up David at a good price will be able to make a fantastic team.
And what about Manvir? He is sort of X factor. I mean, he someday he plays really well.
Yeah, he's a very good player, no doubt. But again, it depends. He's not able to adjust to the boosting. If you see David, he can adjust to the boosting, but Manveer cannot do that. Even Anish that way is good. He also adjusts quite well, but Manveer I doubt.
Okay, good. So we have seen on other side, we have seen the BSU, a category of player who don't want to play. Any message to them from the admin side?
I feel the culprit is Kumar. He started it, and a few tried to follow him. Said though he's saying for him availability is a challenge, and he's not showing any keenness in playing. But Gaurav has joined in to play, and I'm very happy for him.
That's great. That's wonderful.
He will be an asset to whichever team he plays for.
Yeah, he has already changed the dynamics of the team combination by since he has come. The number of boosters have increased. So Laliti, thank you very much for your time, and we look forward for your guidance
Thank
and
you. Thank you.
things later on.
All the best to all the teams.
Any questions from you?